What's up, guys? I'm over here. Hi, I'm Gatik. Welcome back to Amazing Kid. That is my dad. And we are out in the wilderness in a hunt for sticks. Today I'm going to do something very exciting. I'm going to make a toy. And that toy is going to be a bow and arrow. When my dad was small, they had no sort of technology such as mobiles and TVs, and they used to use their time and improve their creativity. But look at us now. When we are free, we are just watching TV or our mobiles. Yes, we need to use our time in a very creative way. So that's why in today's video, I'm going to go out with my father and learn how to make a bow and arrow. When you're buying it from a market, it's not a big deal. But when you're making it, it's a very big deal. What are we searching for out here is one big bendable stick for the bow and 3 normal sticks for the arrows. I told you, lots of things to think and plan. I'm learning a lot. Dad not only helps me in doing my creative toy making, he also helps me editing my videos. I do all these videos by my own and I'm not forced to make all these videos. This is as per the YouTube policy. I just need to clarify them to my viewers. I love making videos. We got sticks. Good to go. Thanks, Baba. We are back home now. Can you see that stretchy black wool? That's the only material we need apart from those 4 sticks to make our bow and arrow. So you keep watching, guys. Come on, Caesar, will you cut it already? We got the thread now. Let's tie it on top of each corner. One over there and one over there. Then the bow is done.
Gati.